welcome to Learnifer. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about CVC words with short sound at. Today we learn phonics of CVC words with short sound at of vowel A. Her at, hat. Repeat after me. Her at, hat. This is a hat. B at, bat. Repeat after me. B at, bat. This is a bat. M at, mat. Repeat after me. M at, mat. This is a mat. R at, rat. Repeat after me. R at, rat. This is a rat. F at, fat. Repeat after me. F at, fat. This is fat. K at, cat. Repeat after me. K at, cat. This is a cat. S at, sat. Repeat after me. S at, sat. She is setting. Let's read it together. Her at, hat. B at, bat. M at, mat. R at, rat. F at, fat. S at, sat. P at, pat. K at, cat. Let's read the sentences. A cat on a mat. Repeat after me. A cat on a mat. The rat is fat. Repeat after me. The rat is fat. She sat on a mat. Repeat after me. She sat on a mat. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.